Hi, this is me, the Orange Tamang from Let's Help YouTube channel, and you are watching PHP series. Today in this lesson, we are going to learn about files method. Files is also a kind of super global variables in PHP. In this lesson, we will learn how, when, and where to use a file method practically. I think we all are using Gmail account to send mail. If you want to send a large file or document, you need to send those document using attachment. Files method is the best way to send those files like photos, document or PDF. For that, firstly we need to create a HTML form. In title I'll use a files method. Now body tag. Let's close the body tag. Now we need to create a form. Like form. Under this form I would like to create a table. This table row, then td input type equals to, basically we will write our input type equals text, but here we are using or we are learning a files method. So in place of text we will write file over here. Name equals to attachment. You may write anything you like, either photo or either document or anything else in the name. It is not compulsory to write attachment. You can give your own name. Now value, let's not write value over here, and let's close this td. Now again let's use a tr tag. Now close it. Now td tag. Now again we need to create a submit button. Input type equals to submit. Name equals to submit. Value equals to, you can write upload. So this is the basic HTML form. So inside the form we need to use a method. Method equals to post. While sending a files or attachment, always used a post method. Post method is equal to post. Action equals to, just I'll leave it blank over here, or I'll define the path later. The most important thing over here, you should not forget, is the ink type. ENCTYP. Ink type equals to multipart slash form dash data. So don't forget this. Ink type equals to multipart form slash form dash data. So this is very much important. So let's save this with the name files.php, and let's save this. Now let's go to the browser and open that file. We have saved as files.php. So this is a form. Let's give a border over here in the table. Border equals to 1 pixel. Border is equal to 1 pixel, and align, ALIZ, and align equals to center. Let's save this and refresh the page. You will see choose file, upload. In input type, let's give align equals to C and create center itself. Refresh the page. Now by clicking on this choose file, you can choose any file from your computers and send it as an attachment to the to your friend. If I click on choose file, now you can choose any file from your computer and you can upload it and send it as an attachment to the user. Then here, when I click on upload button, the page will redirect it to the another page. Here in action, I have left a blank, so I already informed you that I'll define action. So here now I would like to define action as user data.php, and let's save this. It means when I click on this upload button, the page will redirect it to user.php. For that, I have to create a new page. Let's save it as user data.php. Let's save it. Now if I click on it or click on this upload button, the page will redirect it to user data.php. Now here we are on the page files.php. If I click on upload, the page will redirect it to user data.php. So here it is blank. Why? Means we haven't coded anything else over here. Now to access the file that we have sent from this form, we need to write a PHP code in a user data.php. So now let's write it. Here we use a files method, that is $_files, and you know that this file is a array type and we need to give a file name over here. To give a file name, you need to write a file name that you have assigned or that you have given in a form. That is, attachment is the name of file that I have given in a form. So I'll copy this attachment and I'll paste it over here. And let's save this. Now if I simply echo it, writing echo, now let's see what will happen. Now let's choose a file. Let's open it and let's click on upload. Now you will see a notice that array to string conversion. That means it is not possible because this files is a two-dimensional array. It has a specific key value So instead of echo, we need to use a pri and to print underscore r. Let's close it and save it. And now refresh this page. Let's see what will happen. Now it says that it's an array type. So its name as a key, type, temp name, error, size. Here we will see it as an array and its attribute is given in a key value like name, type, temp. Here the name of file that we have uploaded is go.png and its type it's png image and png. This is a temporary folder that a server have created under a temp folder and its name as a php 207 f9.tmt, error equals to 0. Now size, the size of the picture or the files that we have uploaded. I think it is not clear. To make it more clear, I will use a HTML pre-tag. So for that, pre, and let's close it this pre-tag and save it and refresh the page. You will see a array type and a key value as a name, type, temp, underscore name, error and size. This name is the name of the picture that we have uploaded, that is board.png, and this type is the extension, it's image type and its extension is png. This temp underscore name, a folder name. The file which we have uploaded will not directly upload into a server. A temporary folder is created by a server. Whatever the file that we have uploaded will save in a temporary folder. So this tmt is a temporary folder which is created under XAMPP folder. So in the same folder, a program will lies which helps to check the extension name of a file. It will not allow to upload .exe file. So if the extension name of file is .exe, this folder will not allow you to upload a file. And this error means there is error equals to 0. This shows that there is no any error while uploading a file. This size, the size of our image or the file that we have uploaded is 48122 KB. There it has display all the information of a file. But if we need only the name, or if we need only a single information about a file, suppose for example, if you need the name of a file only, so at the time what will you do means we will use another attribute since it is a two-dimensional array. So in order to add another attributes, we'll use like this. Now for example, name. So we want to display only the name, so I'll write name and let's save this and refresh our page and let's see what will happen. You'll see only the name, that bo.png. In the same way, if you need to use or if you want to display the size only, then write in place of name, write size and save it and refresh the page. You'll see only the size. Hope you have understood file super global variables. If you like this video, please hit a like button and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a good day.